subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Haylou RS3 is the latest premium offering from Haylou, which is a premium smartwatch maker. The new smartwatch is coupled with GPS, SPO2 monitor, 14 sports modes, and is 580 waterproof. Classy circular design smartwatch offers a premium look with its unique style and texture. It is now on sale via UPIN for the price of $69.99. Haylou RS3's business design is carved out of metal, while coupling an aluminium alloy frame and silicone strap. A 1.2-inch AMOLED display is present on board with 2.5D curved glass having a resolution of 390 by 390 pixels. The GPS-powered smartwatch is 580 proof, which means it provides protection from water up to a depth of 50 meters. There's a heart rate sensor on the board to collect 24/7 heart rate, and SPO2 monitor to measure the blood oxygen level. Moreover, other primary features include sleep tracking, step tracking and calories count. Haylou RS3 smartwatch supports up to 14 sports activities including hiking, spinning, fast walking, running, free training, basketball, football, pool swimming, etc. It is a perfect smartwatch to count on all the utilities like call or message reminder feature, stopwatch, weather information, etc. However, the smartphone features a 230 mAh battery which can last for 7 days with normal usage, 15 days with basic use mode and 25 hours with GPS mode. It can effectively work in temperatures between 0 degree to 40 degrees Celsius. The smartwatch easily pairs with Android 4.4 and above, and iOS 8.0 and above versions. Haylou RS3 smartwatch competes against their Amazfit Smart Sports Watch 2 and Amazfit GTR smartwatches. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.